Okay, so in this lesson, we're going to start applying systems of equations to solving word problems. So number one says the sum of two numbers is 50. Remember, sum is addition, and the difference is 28. Difference, should remember, subtract. Okay? So we have two numbers we're working with. So we're going to call the two numbers x and y. We can't just use x, we can't just use one variable because we have two different numbers that we're working with here. Okay, so now let's translate. Sum of two numbers is 50. That means the two numbers add to 50, so that's going to be x plus y equals 50. Okay, the second part, the difference is 28. That means the two numbers subtract 28, so x minus y equals 28. Okay, here's our system of equations. So the y's will eliminate. So we have 2x equals 78. Divide, that means x is 39. And now we'll substitute, I'm going to use the top equation. Okay, we're going to substitute and replace x with 39. So x plus y equals 50. So 39 plus y equals 50. Subtract. That means y is 11. Okay, so that means the two numbers are 39 and 11. Okay, and go ahead and check. Sum of two numbers is 50. Well, 39 plus 11 is indeed 50, and the difference is 28. Well, if we do 39 minus 11, we will get 28, so that works. All right, number two, the sum of two numbers is 56. Okay, so that's going to be x plus y is 56. Now it says the larger number is 6 more than the smaller number. What are the numbers? Okay, so we don't know which one is going to be the larger one, x or y, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to say x, doesn't matter whether you use x or y, is going to be 6 more than the smaller number. So that's going to be y plus 6. Okay. So now the best way to solve this, you should notice, is substitution. That x is the same thing as y plus 6. So I'm going to substitute in the top equation where I see x, I'm going to substitute with y plus 6. So that's going to look like y plus 6 plus y equals 56. 2y plus 6 equals 56. 2y equals 50. So y is 25. Okay. And then substitute back. I'm going to substitute into the bottom equation. So x is going to be y plus 6. So 25 plus 6. X is going to be 31. Okay. So the smaller number would be 25. The larger number would be 31. Okay. The next one, sum of two numbers is 33. So x plus y is 33. One number is 2 times as large as the other. So I'm going to say x equals 2 times as large as the other. The other one's y, so 2 times that. Okay. So again, the best way is going to be substitution. Where I see x, I'm going to substitute 2y. So that will be 2y plus y equals 33. 3y equals 33, which means y would be 11. Now, to get x is going to be 2y. I'm going to use the bottom equation. So x is going to be 2 times 11. X is going to be 22. Okay, number 4, a little different. Instead of just having numbers, we're actually having other actual items. So a textbook store sold a combined total of 473 biology and chemistry textbooks in a week. Number of chemistry textbooks sold was 85 less than the number of biology textbooks sold. How many textbooks of each type were sold? So for this one, what I'm going to do, I'm going to say B is going to stand for number of biology books. I'm going to say C is going to be the number of chemistry books. Okay, you don't have to use X and Y. You can use X and Y if you're more comfortable, but B and C makes more sense here. Okay, first sentence. Combined total of 473 biology and chemistry textbooks. So that means this plus this adds to 473. So B plus C equals 473. The number of chemistry textbooks sold was, so C equals 85 less than the number of biology textbooks sold. So it's the number of biology textbooks, B, minus 85. Okay. So again, we're going to solve by substitution that C is the same thing as B minus 85. So B plus B minus 85 equals 473. 2B minus 85 equals 473 plus 85 plus 85. So we have 2, continue up here, 2B equals, that is 558. So B is 250, 279. Okay. So the number of biology textbooks was 279. Then I'm going to substitute into the top. So 279 plus C equals 473 minus 279 minus 279. So C equals 194. Yes. All right. So number 5, 1 month Eric rented 2 movies and 12 video games for a total of $75. Next month he rented 5 movies and 3 video games for a total of $39. Find the rental costs for each movie and each video game. Okay, I'm going to say M is going to be number of movies and V equals number of video games. All right, so 1 month rented 2 movies, so 2M plus 12 video games was 75. The next month he rented 5 movies and 3 video games, total of 39. Okay. So I'm going to use elimination here because if I have a 12 up here, I could turn this into a negative 12 by multiplying the entire bottom by negative 4. So we have 2M plus 12B equals 75. The new bottom is negative 20M minus 12B equals negative 156. Okay. So this eliminates. We've got negative 18M equals, that is negative, let's go to calculator. my calculator on this thing? Sorry. That's going to be negative 81 by negative 18 divided by negative 18. So that's going to be 4.5. Okay, and decimals are okay here because we're working with money. Okay, and running out of room. Okay, let's scroll down. Actually, let's do this over here. Okay, so M is 4.5, so movie tickets, movie rentals are 4.450. So I'm going to go into the top equation, substitute that in. I'm going to go 2 times 4.5 plus 12v equals 75. 9 plus 12v equals 75. And we subtract 9 from both sides, we're going to get 12v equals 66 divided by 12 divided by 12. And v is going to be 5.5. Sorry, this got really crowded. Okay. Last one. Kevin, the trainer, has 2 solo workout plans that he offers his clients, Plan A and Plan B. Each client does either or the other, but not both. On Monday, there were 2 clients who did Plan A. So I'm going to say 2. 2A and 3 who did Plan B. Okay, so that's on Monday. And he trained his clients a total of 10 hours, so equals 10. Okay, this is info about Monday. And here's your other info about Monday. Tuesday, 5 clients who did Plan A. And 3 who did Plan B. Oh, I'm sorry, this should be a 6. Oops. And 3 who did Plan B. And on Tuesday, they also did 10 hours. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I see elimination is going to work well here. I'm going to multiply the whole bottom by negative 2. So we have 2a plus 6b equals 10. Negative 10a minus 6b equals negative 20. So negative 8a equals negative 10. A is going to be 1.25. Okay. Now I'm going to leave you to solve for B on your own. When you do it, your answer is also going to be a little over 1 hour. Okay. Again, decimals are going to be part of the answer here. Don't leave your answer in fraction form when you're dealing with word problems.